Welcome to the Moral Story Squad!
Story time. Bello's broken whistle. Bello lends his wooden whistle to a friend during recess. The friend drops it, and a small crack appears near the mouthpiece. Bello stomps away without listening to the apology. At home, the whistle only makes a windy squeak. The friend arrives with glue, sandpaper, and a worried face. Bello lets the friend help smooth the crack. They test the whistle together until one clear note returns. Bello admits he was angry because the whistle mattered to him. The friend promises to use both hands next time. Bello learns that forgiveness can begin when repair begins. Moral of the story: forgiveness grows when we repair what we can.